टीचर की एक आदत होती है भूल जाने की। कभी चश्मा भूल जाते हैं तो कभी घड़ी, कभी भूल जाते हैं दोपहर का खाना, क्लास कब ख़त्म हो गया ये भी भूल जाते हैं। देर रात किसी स्टूडेंट ने कॉल किया तो ये भूल जाते हैं कि अभी सोने का वक्त है। भूल जाते हैं कब किसको डांटा था और कब किसने क्या शरारत की थी, कौन झोपड़ी में रहता था और कौन महल में रहता था। टीचर भूल जाते हैं किसका क्या धर्म था, टीचर भूल जाते हैं कौन छोटा था कौन बड़ा था। टीचर को बस याद रहता है एक स्टूडेंट सारी ज़िंदगी। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ।
अपनी कठोर सी मूरत को दिखलाया है, प्यार भरी फटकार से सहलाया है। जिंदगी की हर राह पर आगे बढ़ना सिखाया है, जिंदगी की हर राह पर आगे बढ़ना सिखाया है। हाँ मैंने भगवान के रूप में शिक्षक को पाया है।
If I am a candle, you are the flame. If I did mistake, you took the blame. If I am a picture, you are the frame. And if I am a player, you are the game. If I am a personality, you are the name. And if I am successful, you are the fame. Yeah, you. Hello GITM. This is Arunima Mishra, pursuing BTech from Electrical Branch, 2nd year. So now let's start the battle of paving words of gratitude to our teachers and our educators with this devotional mantra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. So how are you doing with this digital education? The coronavirus pandemic has affected the situations worldwide, whether it is about health, economy or education, education being the most sensitive of all. This pandemic has made us realize our dependency on education. In the beginning, it was just our doctors and the policemen who were being the corona warriors. But it is high time to realize that our teachers have been updated into the same list. On this auspicious occasion, I, on behalf of all the students, wish you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. This official day provides us to pay respect and gratitude through joyful celebrations. But yes, this corona pandemic has taken all the credit of creating distances. And so, instead of stepping apart, we thank you here digitally. This pandemic has introduced a system of online classes, a customized learning experience which was never ever used in India at such a wide scale. But it has brought a tough call for the students, a very tough call. From facing problems to the connectivity issues and interface lagging problems, the students faced many a times conceptual understanding issues. But yes, our teachers have always acted as a support pillars to us. And the point to be noted. दिया है आप सब ने सहारा, दिया है आप सब ने सहारा, जब भी हमें लगा कि हमने अपना लक्ष्य हारा. And yes, you all have proved to be the finest warriors.
However, something more or equally tough is to our teachers who are facing a lot of problems like assignment designing, checking our test papers, checking our projects, creating such concepts that increase our understanding level. And apart from all that, they are constantly trying to give us a fun learning experience. And now this is more harder time for these warriors because they are traveling all along to their respective institutions. They are taking heavy precautions. And in addition to all that, they are paying all our attention towards us. So at last, I would again say that among all the warriors, our teachers are proving to be the finest of all. Yes, the finest. And now it is our duty to respect their efforts, their dedication, and together we'll be able to stand this pandemic and achieve great heights. These last, my tributing lines will define your role in our life, and here I go. गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, हर गम से उसने मुझे अनजान बना दिया और उनकी ऐसी कृपा हुई, गुरु ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया, एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया। कहते हैं कि हम किसी भी प्रोफेशन में जा कर के 1-2 बार, 5-6 बार किसी का भला कर सकते हैं, लेकिन टीचर, शिक्षक का एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन होता है जिसमें वो दूसरों को इस काबिल बनाता है कि वो आगे चलकर सदा दूसरों का भला कर सके। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, this is my salute to the only profession that creates the other profession. Thank you so much. Wish you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day.